In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on TikTok. Simple and easy. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Click on the lower right corner on your profile. Then you want to click on the top right corner on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll down to the section that is called Activity Center. When you're at Activity Center, you want to click on Search History. As you can see over here, we haven't searched anything. Let me show you how we can fix this. For example, let's say iPhone 15 Pro, okay? We just searched for something. Now let's go back. Three straight lines, settings and privacy. You want to click on Activity Center. You want to click on Search History. Boom! There you have it, iPhone 15 Pro. How are you going to delete your search history? You want to click on the top right corner and you want to click Select. Then you want to tap on this individual search query that we just created. If you had a multiple different search queries, you will see on the lower left corner there is an option that is called Select All Search History. Then you want to click Delete All. This is going to delete 180 days worth of search history, search queries. And this is how you delete your search history on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.